with a slip knot. And now we can begin a chain. We're going to do 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Insert your hook into the second chain from your hook. We're going to make a slip stitch there. In that next chain, we're going to single crochet. In that next chain, we're going to half double crochet. In the next chain, we're going to insert 2 double crochets. Both in the same stitch. Then in the very last chain, you're going to make a half double crochet and a single crochet. Here's my half double crochet and a single crochet. We have worked through one side of the chain. We're now going to turn our piece and work on the other side to complete the other half of the leaf. So turn your piece, and now in the same stitch, you're going to insert a single crochet and then a half double crochet. In the next chain, I'm going to insert 2 double crochets, both in the same stitch. In the next stitch, I'm going to insert a half double. In the next stitch, a single crochet. And in the very last stitch, a chain. And after you do that, you can fasten off with a tail for weaving in. And you'll have your plush little leaf ready. Here's the finished look. Nice and quick and easy. If you want to crochet a little flower for your leaf, go ahead and check out my plush flower tutorial. Link is in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a fun time crocheting. Bye now.